continue with what are the problems of human capital formation. First problem, insufficient resources. Second, serious inefficiencies. Third, brain drain. Fourth, high growth of population. Fifth one, several imbalances. Sixth, lack of proper manpower planning. The last one, weak science and technology. So in the first point, insufficient resources. So in this what they have given, the resources allocated for the formation of human capital have been much less than the resources required. So whatever may be the resources they have allocated to the formation of human capital, that was very much less than the resources actually required. Due to this reason, the facilities for the formation of human capital have remained grossly inadequate. So because of this reason, the facilities which is required for human capital is inadequate. Yes, the second point, serious inefficiencies. There is a lot of wastage of society resources, as capabilities of educated people are either not made use of, that we can connect with in case of unemployment, or underutilized in case of underemployment. Yes, so I will repeat this point again. There is a lot of wastage of society resources. Yes, because the capability of educated people are either not made use of, we are not using them. Yes, in case of unemployment, or underutilized in case of underemployment. So the massive illiteracy, non-education of many children, poor health facility or other inefficiencies which have been attended to inadequately and properly. So these are the reasons which connects with serious inefficiencies. Yes, the third one, brain drain. The people will migrate from one place to another in search of better job opportunities and handsome salary. Yes, so the third reason of human capital formation is a brain drain. Actually, what is happening in an economy? The people, what they're doing it, they are migrating from one place to another. Why they are migrating? In search of better job opportunity and apart from that, handsome salaries. It leads to the loss of quality of people like doctors, engineers, etc., who have higher caliber and are rare in a developing country. The cost of such loss of quality human capital is very high. So, brain drain, it is the reasons for human capital formation. Yes, so what they were telling here, the people, they are migrating from one place to another for searching a job. Yes, and apart from that, some handsome salary. I have mentioned here the peoples like a quality of peoples like doctors, engineers, etc. So because of this, what happens? They have high caliber and are rare in a developing country. This is a loss of quality of human capital is very high. Now, high growth of population. Growth of population is also one of the reasons for human capital formation. The continuous rise in population has adversely affected the quality of human capital. It reduces per head availability of the facility. So the continuous rise in population is one of the reasons for human capital formation. Yes, one of the reasons for the problem of human capital formation. Now, several imbalances. A greater proportion of resources have been diverted towards higher education, which is mean for few people as compared to primary and secondary education. Due to the reason, general productivity of the economy has remained low. So, several imbalances is one of the reasons for problem of human capital formations. What they're doing in an economy, actually, the greater proportion of resources have been, what we're doing it, we are diversified towards the higher education, which is mean a few people are compared to the primary as well as the secondary sector, secondary education. Due to these reasons, General productivity of the economy has remained low. Next, lack of proper manpower planning. There is an imbalance between the demand and supply of human resources of various category. So, there is a lot of imbalances between demand and supply of human resources of various category. Especially in the case of high skilled personnel. Yes, so in this case of highly skilled personnel, the absence of such balancing has resulted in the wastages of resources. So in the economy, we need a category of people like in the case of we need people like a highly skilled personnel. Yes, but what happened? We are not getting such a thing. So that is a lack of manpower planning, which comes under a problem of human capital formation. The last, weak science and technology. In respect of education, the performance in particularly was unsatisfactory in the field of science and development of modern technology. So we are unsatisfied with our science as well as development of modern technology. So these are points which come under in problems of human capital formation. The first problem, insufficient resources. Second one, serious inefficiencies. Third, brain drain. Fourth, high growth of population. Fifth, several imbalances. Sixth, lack of proper manpower planning. And the seventh one, weak science and technology. So these are points which come under in problems of human capital formation. Thank you, students.